If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. All right, so now we're going to work on these two sections. I'm going to put these two drawers together and then replace the washi tape and the planners. I think I'm going to put the planners in like some clear bags, and then I ordered some of these basket things that go underneath the shelf. They're from Amazon. They'll be here tomorrow, so next time you see this, you'll see that part. But for today, I'm going to do the drawers, and then I'm going to put all my planner stuff in clear bags. That way I can put them underneath the little shelves when I get the baskets in. So all right, I'm going to get to that. So another thing that I got from IKEA is this Calyx drawer set, and this is the item number here. This was $22, and it's really easy to put together. I actually made a little set to, not a set, I made a stand to hold my Silhouette Cameo and like the accessories, and I put together one of these drawers to fit. I built the stand around this Calyx drawer. I'll insert a picture. I posted on Instagram some months ago. So I've already put together one of these before. It takes like 10 minutes, if that. This is the super easiest thing to put together. Directions are very clear. So I bought two of these, and I'm going to use two of the spaces at the top of my cube set to put items in here to, you know, to help me organize that too. So anyway, this is a really cool deal. $22. You get two drawers. It's nice, it's fancy, and it's really easy to put together. So I'm going to do that, and we'll move on. I just wanted to take a quick minute. I put this on a super fast speed of like 8 times, but this whole video was recorded. It was 7 minutes and 14 seconds, so in regular time. So I know a lot of people are a little apprehensive about IKEA furniture because its directions are with pictures, but I'm a kinesthetic learner and I like to look at it, and it was really easy for me. So I'm just showing you how I just put it together, how quickly it was. One tip though for the board when you're putting your drawers in, if you're not going to be taking them apart and putting them together somewhere, I mean, I don't know who would do that, but add a little glue. I used I think I used crystal glaze or whatever to add that glue to make sure that board stays. But other than that, it was super easy. I put together several things in my craft room from IKEA. So I just want to show you guys how quickly this was to put together. All right, I got the drawers on, and they were super easy again. Hopefully I was able to insert the little video tutorial. Let me go over here and show you guys. They're just so adorable. I spray painted the knobs. They came silver. I spray painted them gold. And yeah, just super easy to put together. And then I'm just going to, I'm not sure what I'm going to add in here yet. I know I've moved my washi out the way already, so I think I'm going to put my embellishments, some of them, in here. So we'll see. All right, guys, I just wanted to do a quick share of what I did with the drawers. So in here, I did fill that basket that I had with all that, you know, clean and simple type theme items are the newer items that I have in there. And then up here I have like mixed media things that I use, my sprays when I make my homemade glimmer mist and gesso and texture paste. All that's in here. I do have the other drawer that's doing like the rest of the continuing from this. So both of these drawers are for that mixed media stuff and Mod Podge and all that kind of stuff that I use for that. And then this drawer, I have my newer stamps that I have not used. And if I get them, I'll just put them in this drawer, and then I'll just try to do more stamping and things like that. I do have to do more stamping because I have a whole nother basket on the other. I have 2 of these Calyx systems, so I have a whole nother basket of, or 2, yeah, 2 baskets full of stamps. So I do have to do more stamping on that. That's it. So I wanted to quick do a edit on what I put in these drawers. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I've got my little underwire baskets that I ordered off of Amazon. I'll have that link down below in the description box if you guys are interested. I have separated all of the planner kits and put them into clear bags like I said I was. So I'm going to show you guys that completed here in a second. All right, guys, this is how everything turned out. I purchased the 4 baskets that I showed you guys. So I have 2 here, and then I have 2 down here under here. So that was the perfect place to put all of my planner kits. And you guys saw like the stacks of planner kits that I pulled out. I was very happy to know that I had just 2 full kits. And I kind of combined, sometimes these planner kits look so much alike, but and drop those down there. I put them all in the 12 by 12 bags, which I'll link down below in the description box, the clear bag, so I can kind of see what's happening. And yeah, I am just tossing it right there, but it's okay. So I have them in here, and then I have some 12 by 12 kits that are in here as well. And then I have the card kits. Oops, one just slipped right on out. I have the card kits in here and some more planner kits. I just put all the planner kits and stuff in the bags, and this actually should be down a level. This is one of my page kits, and this one is from the Fairy Tale Club. So I put my newer collections that I just purchased, like I really want to play with these. I'm going to put them right here so I can see them when I go up and down the stairs. They're right there. So I put them in clear bags, and for those that weren't in there, and put them down here. Although this one is not a new kit. I just keep buying it because I love it so much. So yeah. And then I put, you know, everything that kind of coordinates in here for the big 12 by 12s. So actually this fairy tale kit should go down here, but I'll pick that up later and put that down there. But these baskets are inexpensive, and they're really good if you have the ability to slide them under the shelf. They just slide in, you know, nice space, and they're pretty easy. So anyway, that's the end of the planner kit section. We're going to move on to the 12 by 12 tomorrow. I'm going to clear all that out and get that together and do all that. So I think this turned out really, really cute. I'll link, like I said, things down below if you are interested in purchasing these. But yeah, this is a good fit for my craft room and my system. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video where we will tackle the 12 by 12. All right, bye.